we're going to do a little bit of warm up, just because we do that in this. So we're going to start with the right fist, that's the sun, and that flat left palm, that's the moon. That's how we start a Tai Chi class. And soft bend in the knees as we bow down to one another in respect for starting our practice today. Very good. So basically, we're going to bend the knees, shake the arms. This is called shaking gong. You can kind of hear the breath as you exhale, kind of forcing that air out. That's a good thing. And let's bring it up. You can turn side to side. Again, soft bend the knees. Don't keep those legs super straight here. And then bring the arms out to a letter T, palms down to begin with. And then palms up. Kind of like what we did earlier in our gentle yoga for back care. We're going to swing the opposite arms and legs. Again, lubricating those knees, getting those hips kind of moving a bit, getting that ankle glide happening. And then let's take it out and cross. If you can, have your head follow with the twist. If that makes you dizzy, keep the head to the center. Very good. One more and one more. And again, let's do the arm and tap the shoulders. That way you have the elbows in the equation in addition to the shoulders, because we use the elbows, the shoulders, the knees, the hips, the feet in our beginner's Tai Chi. And then just make it go slow, slow, slow. From here, let's bring the hands here at heart center. Lower the elbows, relax those shoulders, and the fingers aligned a little bit. We're going to do a little bit of Tai Chi ball expansion. So let's inhale, expand the arms as if you're drawing taffy out. And then exhale, bring them in. Let's do that again. Inhale, drag it out. Beautiful. Exhale, float in. You may feel some sensations happening in the palms, in the inside of the arms. Again, inhaling out and exhaling. One more time. Inhaling out and exhaling. Beautiful. Take the fingers out and we're spreading out the hands and out at angles. So we're letting all the toxic energy that's gathered up in our body to kind of escape out through the tips of the fingers into the earth. Spread out those fingers. Very good. And let's clap the hands. Rub some heat in here. Okay, so let's do tip your toe into Tai Chi, the first 12 postures of the 108 Yang style form. I'm going to turn around. Y'all are going to follow me. I'll be cueing left and right as best I can. So here we go. So let me see here. We normally have the feet out a little bit. This is called eagle stance or beginner's stance. And then we move into preparation stance. So I have a nice tall body. Maybe the ankles are together, but I like to have them apart a little bit. And I invite you to kind of feel your feet into the floor. Notice if the weight is into the heels or into the feet. And again, I'm looking at the camera to make sure that's not a fuzzy business going on here. So what we'll do with the breath, we're going to inhale, raise up a little bit, and then exhale, bend the knees lower. Let's do that again. Inhaling, rise. And as we exhale, we're going to shift our weight over into that left side, step that right foot out, heel, ball, toe, shift your weight over to the right side. Let's turn that left foot to be pointing forward. Shift your weight into the left side, take that right foot, shift your weight to point forward. Now we're going to shift to the center. And next is called center and sink. Knees are bent. So we're going to inhale, hands up to about hip level. Exhale, drag it back, bend those knees. Let's do upward, downward. So up towards the shoulder level, inhaling up, up, up. Elbows out to the side, exhale, lower. Shifting the weight over to the left side, turn that right foot and right hand goes on top, left hand underneath. You're forming the Tai Chi ball. Now, foot goes down, heel, ball, toe, and we're shifting the weight over into that right side. All that weight is on that right side as we do first bow and arrow. Left foot steps forward without any weight, heel, ball, toe. Now shift your weight and turn your Tai Chi ball towards that left side, left hips to the left side. Then we're going to shift our weight into the right side. And then lift the left foot, turn parallel to that right foot, and then shift your weight to the left side. Second bow and arrow. I'm going to turn my foot out to the side, step it forward, heel ball toe, and then split that Tai Chi ball, also called ward off, shifting the weight into that right side. I'm going to take that left arm, shift back, it's called roll back, and then shift the weight into the right side, press palms. Bring your hands back, shift your weight to that back leg, and press forward. On this next one, we're going to shift our weight back, lift the right heel, and then turn the foot towards shifting forward. We're drawing a circle with our hands. Bring it down here by the hips, shift your weight to the right leg, bring the hands up to shoulder height. Take that left foot, step it back, toe ball heel, bring it in and down. Next is called inward outward. You form hands together underneath the Tai Chi ball. So inhaling up, exhaling arms out. We're going to shift our way over to the right side, turn that left foot out, step that right foot in. Starting over, the knees are bent. Inhale up, exhale lower. Shifting your weight over to the right side, step that left foot out, heel ball toe, shift your weight over to the left side, turn that right foot in, shift your weight over to the right side, turn that left foot in, and then come back to the center with knees bent. Here's center and sink. Inhale up to hip level, exhale lower. Let's do upward, downward, up to the shoulders. Inhaling up, up, up. Exhale, drag it back. Shift your weight over to that right side. Turn that left foot, left hand on top of the Tai Chi ball, right hand underneath, heel ball toe. Shift your weight into the left side. Now with that first barrel arrow on the other side, we're going to take that right foot, step it forward, heel ball toe. Now shift your weight, split the ball, turn the Tai Chi ball. And then from here, shift your weight to the left foot, turn that right foot parallel, and then shift your weight to the right side. And we're going to do this second bow and arrow. We're going to turn the foot out a little bit and step it forward. Here we go. Heel ball toe. Now shift the weight, split the ball, hand in front of your chest, hand down by your hip. Very good. Shift your weight to your back leg, roll back, breathing in. Exhale, press into the palms. Inhale, shift back. Exhale, push it forward. I may have added one, I don't know. Inhale, shift back, lift the foot, turn towards the new side of the room. You're drawing a circle with the hand. You're shifting your weight into that left side. Take that right foot, toe ball, heel back, come back to the center and lower down. So we're going to do center or inward, outward. Inhale up. Exhale out to the side, bend the knees, shift over to the left side, turn that right foot, step that left foot in, and then we'll do the finishing breath. So inhale, circle, sweep arms up. Exhale, bring down the energy from the heavens back down towards your Danti end. To end this section, we'll do that right hand. Again, that's the sun, and that flat left palm, that's the moon. And then we bow down to one another to end this little short practice of Yang style short form 12. All right, I'm going to come up to the front of the room.